Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to share local files on Spotify, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Spotify on your computer. Look for the green Spotify icon, usually on your desktop or taskbar. Click it once and wait for the main Spotify window to appear with your home, search, and library on the left. If Spotify is already open, just bring that window to the front so you can see it clearly. Now we will go into your Spotify settings. Move your mouse to the top right corner of the Spotify window and click on your profile picture. A small menu opens under it. In that menu, click Settings. This opens a long settings page where you can change how Spotify behaves on your computer. From here, we need to reach the section called Your Library. Scroll down the settings page slowly until you see the heading named Your Library. Take your time, it can be a little way down. Once you see that heading, stop scrolling so the options under it stay visible on your screen. Under Your Library, you will see an option named Show Local Files. To continue, turn on Show Local Files. There is a small switch next to it. Click once so it moves to the right and usually turns green. When this is on, Spotify will start looking for music files stored on your computer and add them into a local files section. Now we choose which folders on your computer Spotify should look in. Stay in that same area and look for the text Show Songs From. Under this, you will see one or more folders listed with little switches. Turn on the switch next to the folder that already contains your music so it moves to the right. Spotify will only show songs from folders that are turned on here. If your music folder is not listed there, we will add it. Click the button labeled Add a Source, which appears under those folder names. A file browser window opens, showing your computer folders. Click through to the folder that holds your music files, then click the Select Folder button at the bottom right. The folder name will now appear in the Show Songs From list, and Spotify will scan it for audio files. With that ready, go back to your music inside Spotify. Move to the left side of the window and click on Your Library. A new view opens showing your playlists and other items. In this list, click on Local Files. This Local Files section only appears because you turned on Show Local Files earlier, and it gathers all the songs it found in your chosen folders. Next up, find the song you want to share through a playlist. In the Local Files list, scroll until you see the track name you are looking for. You can also use the search bar at the top of the list if there are many songs. Once you see the song, make sure it is highlighted and easy to point at with your mouse. Now we will add that song into a playlist. Move your mouse pointer over the song and right-click on it. A menu opens with several choices. In that menu, click on Add to Playlist. This tells Spotify you want that specific local audio file to appear in one of your playlists, alongside any regular Spotify tracks. After you click Add to Playlist, another small list appears showing your existing playlists. Here, click on the name of an existing playlist if you want to place the song there. If you prefer to make a separate one, click the option to create a new playlist, then give it a clear name so you remember it later. The song will now appear inside that playlist. But remember, the actual audio file stays stored only on your computer. Finally, about sharing these songs with someone else. You can share the playlist itself, for example by copying its link, so another person can open the playlist in their own Spotify. However, the local audio files you added do not get uploaded to Spotify servers, so the other person will only hear those tracks if they also have the same audio files saved as local files on their own device. You have now added your own local music files into a Spotify playlist and understand how sharing that playlist works. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.